In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Card Not Supported. So as you can see, this user have the same problem. Card doesn't always work is suddenly not supported. So in here, I have this thread that can give us answers. So as you can see, same thing happened to them. None of the cards are working and even on the major bank. Now upon the update, it's now working, and when they sent it over to their bank, they did not do anything, and it was an issue on Venmo's side. So if it's actually happening to you, it may be because your card is not the problem, but Venmo is. So what you can do is you can head over to a new tab and search for Venmo down, and you can see if Venmo is down, if they having some problems, and you can see if it can actually be fixed over time. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video will successfully help you out.